Hello students, now I am going to explain you about Thales theorem, which usually comes for 3 marks. Another name for Thales theorem is basic proportionality theorem, in short BPT. The statement as goes: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So the diagram will be: first write a triangle ABC, and since I have told a line is drawn parallel to one side, so draw a parallel line DE to the line BC. First we have to write the data. In triangle ABC, we can see DE is parallel to BC. So DE is parallel to BC. So next we have to prove that. So as per the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the either sides at a distinct point, then the other two sides will be in same ratio. So we have to prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So to prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. In order to prove this, we have to do a little construction. So in construction, let it be pointwise. First join BE and CD. So join BE and CD. Next, in second point, you write down draw DM perpendicular to AC. Draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB and EN perpendicular to AB. So the construction goes: first point, join BE and CD. And the second point, draw DM perpendicular to AC and draw EN perpendicular to AB. So next, going to the proof section. We all know what is the formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle is half into base into height. So as per this formula, we have to do the proof. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE. So in area of triangle ADE, according to this formula, half into base is, in area of triangle ADE, the base will be AD. Since the perpendicular line is this side, the base will be AD and height is this perpendicular line EN. Similarly, in area of triangle BDE, so BDE also towards this side, so the base will be, here the base will be BD or DB into the height will be EN. So here half and EN gets cancels each other. So the remaining is AD by DB. Either you can write BD or DB. So let it be equation number 1. Similarly, you do for the next triangle. Area of triangle AED divide by area of triangle CED. Here area of triangle ADE is also equal to area of triangle AD. Either you can take ADE or AED. Both are same. So area of triangle AED by area of triangle CED. Here again half into base. In area of triangle AED, the base will be AE because this side we are taking. The base will be AE and the height will be DM. And in area of triangle CED, the base will be CE and the height will be DM. See here once again. In triangle AED, the base will be AE and the height will be DM. And in triangle CED, the base will be CE and the height will be DM. So here half half and DM get cancels each other. So remaining is AE by CE. Let it be equation number 2. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we can consider that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is possible only by considering the fact that triangle ADE is also equal to triangle AED. And next one, triangle BDE is also equal to triangle CDE. Why? Because these two triangles, BDE and CED triangle. So these two triangles lie between the same parallel lines, that is DE and BC, and have the same base BC. So these two triangles BDE and CED triangles lie between same parallels DE and BC, and also lie on same base BC. So therefore triangle BDE is equal to triangle CED. So hence this theorem is proved. So students, this Thales theorem is also very much important. So do practice this for your board exam.